From fierce predators to delicate creatures, animal tattoos are more than just body art. They're symbols of identity, emotion, and power. Let's dive into the most popular animals used in tattoos and what they represent. First up, the butterfly. With over 5 million global searches, this delicate insect tops the charts. Butterflies symbolize transformation, freedom, and beauty. Whether it's a tribute to personal growth or a nod to nature's elegance, butterfly tattoos are timeless. Next, the wolf. Fierce, loyal, and mysterious, wolves represent independence, strength, and family bonds. Whether in tribal ink or hyper-realistic detail, wolf tattoos speak to the wild spirit within. The lion roars into the top 3. A symbol of bravery, nobility, and spirituality, lion tattoos are bold statements of inner power. They're especially popular among those seeking to channel courage or leadership. Slithering into the spotlight is the snake. Often misunderstood, snakes symbolize rebirth, transformation, and protection. Their sleek form makes them perfect for wrapping around arms or legs. The elephant is a favorite for those seeking wisdom and serenity. These gentle giants represent memory, strength, and family unity. Their majestic presence makes for stunning, large-scale tattoos. Hummingbirds symbolize joy and agility, while koi fish represent perseverance and overcoming adversity. Both are beloved for their vibrant colors and rich cultural meanings. Whether it's a butterfly for transformation or a lion for courage, animal tattoos tell stories that live on skin. Which creature speaks to your soul?